So peeps, as competition heats up in the smartphone market, we consumers are the real winners. Today, we're diving into the TECNO Spark 30, a smartphone that punches above its weight, especially considering the advancement we've seen in budget phones over the years. Just 8 years ago, a 7,000 peso smartphone, which is about 8,738 pesos today when you adjust for inflation, struggled to deliver camera quality good enough for social media posts. Fast forward to today, smartphones in the same price range can create stunning photos that will leave your friends questioning if you really shot them on a budget device. So in this video, we'll be testing out the camera capabilities of the TECNO Spark 30 to see if it can truly deliver impressive quality for just 5,599 pesos on sale. Let's find out. Welcome to the TECNO Spark 30. Let's kick things off by looking at the camera specifications. At first glance, you might think this phone sports 4 cameras, but don't be fooled. It actually has a single 64-megapixel Sony sensor along with 2 additional sensors, an infrared sensor and a light sensor plus flash. The standout feature here is the Sony 64-megapixel sensor, boasting specs like 1/1.73-inch size, 1.75 focal aperture, and PDAF technology. This sensor is found in much pricier devices on a few years back, which is pretty impressive. On the front, you'll find a 32-megapixel front camera equipped with dual temperature flash, perfect for all your selfie needs. Let's talk about nighttime photography. The Sony sensor uses a technique called 4-in-1 pixel binning, merging 4 pixels into one larger pixel. This helps create better low-light images, effectively increasing the pixel size. Check out these night shots taken with the TECNO Spark 30. Can you believe the quality coming from a phone priced at 5,599 pesos? And here's an exciting feature, super night shot. Let's see how it performs compared to the standard low-light mode. The Spark 30 also offers a 2x lossless zoom, though keep in mind this is essentially a digital crop. Now for those who love capturing movement, the intelligent focus tracking feature allows the camera to lock onto and track human and animal eyes easily. And if you're in a rush and need to look good fast, the TECNO Spark 30 has an AI beauty function. This feature automatically personalizes beauty settings tailored just for you. What do you think? Good or bad? Let us know in the comment section. Moving on, we have the True Tone Portrait Mode. This feature enhances your subject according to their face shape, gender, and skin tone. Here are some fun features you can try on the TECNO Spark 30 camera. Continuous shooting or burst mode, smile capture, which automatically snaps a photo when it detects a smile, voice capture letting you take pictures with a voice command, Facemoji for some fun with your selfies. Another cool addition is the versatile front camera flash, which gives you different tone levels, icy blue, soft blend, and warm aura. Let's see how each one looks in selfies. And if you're looking to add a professional touch, you can even enable watermark in the settings to flex a bit. Before we wrap up on the camera, let's explore the AIGC imaging feature. This enables the camera to scan your face and suggest different outfits, backgrounds, and scenes. It's a fun way to get creative. And there are some additional AI features beyond the camera that we'll touch on quickly. AI voice assistant, AI wallpaper and AI artboard, AI charging, AI eraser, and AI enhancement. We will explain these topics in more detail in the written article linked in the description below. After discussing the camera capabilities and features of this phone, let's take a moment to highlight some additional features that the TECNO Spark 30 offers. Surprisingly, this phone priced under 6,000 pesos comes with an IP64 rating. Lumi Shield means the screen is stronger, and talking about the screen of the TECNO Spark 30 is 2480 by 1080 with up to 90Hz refresh rate. It also features stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos for an enhanced movie experience. It also features an IR blaster, which is rare in smartphones these days. If you misplace your remote, you can easily use the Spark 30 as your remote control. The Spark 30 now features bypass charging, a capability often found in gaming laptops. This allows you to enjoy gaming or using phone while it's plugged in. With this feature, power goes directly to the phone instead of passing through the battery, which reduces heat during simultaneous charging and gaming. To enable this feature, just go to Setting, Battery and Power Savings, and enable bypass charging. Finally, let's talk about this unique collaboration. The Bumblebee edition of the TECNO Spark 30 is a treat for any Transformer fans out there. The Bumblebee theme is integrated not only in design but also in the software, making it a special edition indeed. So, there you have it, an in-depth look at the TECNO Spark 30. Can a budget smartphone really live up to expectations? Based on what we've seen, it certainly seems to. If you enjoyed this video or have questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. And this has been Earl, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!